Across continents, the Moringa oleifera tree has earned a reputation as a miracle tree for its dense nutritional profile. Revered for centuries, its leaves, often dried and powdered, are now recognized as one of the world's most potent superfoods. Join us as we reveal 10 science-backed ways Moringa powder can transform your health. Moringa leaves are rich in tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, the feel-good hormone. By supporting serotonin production and protecting the brain from oxidative stress, Moringa naturally lifts mood and fosters emotional balance. It's a gentle, holistic ally for mental wellness. The liver is our body's detox powerhouse, and Moringa acts as its shield. Packed with polyphenols, Moringa helps reverse toxin damage and boosts detox enzymes like glutathione. It reduces liver inflammation and fat buildup, supporting optimal detoxification. Moringa is a true partner in keeping your liver resilient. Moringa's leaves, bark, and seeds contain compounds that fight bacteria and fungi, even strains like staph and E. coli. Isothiocyanates in Moringa disrupt harmful microbes while sparing beneficial bacteria. Used for water purification and skin health, Moringa is a natural, sustainable shield. In a world of rising antibiotic resistance, Moringa's ancient power is more relevant than ever. Moringa delivers iron, zinc, amino acids, and antioxidants, key nutrients for strong, healthy hair. It nourishes hair follicles, improves scalp circulation, and combats oxidative stress that leads to thinning and graying. The result: fuller, shinier hair that reflects true internal vitality. Moringa builds hair health from the inside out. Moringa's antioxidants, including zeatin, fight free radicals that cause wrinkles and sagging. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties calm acne and support skin repair. Vitamins A and E help fade scars and dark spots. Consuming or applying Moringa leads to clearer, more youthful skin. Moringa is a plant-based powerhouse of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential for strong bones. Its minerals work together for optimal absorption, helping prevent bone loss as we age. Anti-inflammatory effects further protect bone density. Moringa is a smart, natural investment in lifelong mobility. Moringa's anti-inflammatory compounds help relax airways and reduce asthma symptoms. Studies show improved lung function and easier breathing with regular use. It acts as a gentle bronchodilator, supporting respiratory health. While not a replacement for medication, Moringa offers natural relief for asthma sufferers. Moringa supports heart health by providing potassium and quercetin, which help lower blood pressure. It relaxes blood vessels, reduces inflammation, and prevents cholesterol oxidation. These effects keep arteries flexible and clear. Moringa is a natural way to protect your heart and circulation. Moringa's isothiocyanates and chlorogenic acid help regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and slowing sugar absorption. Clinical studies show reduced fasting blood sugar and better glycemic control. It's a powerful tool for diabetes management, though not a cure. Moringa helps maintain stable energy and metabolic health. Moringa contains niazimicin, a compound shown to suppress cancer cell growth and trigger their self-destruction. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents protect DNA from damage and mutation. While not a cure, Moringa fortifies the body's natural defenses at the cellular level. It's a remarkable example of nature's preventive power. Moringa is a testament to the healing power of nature. Nutrient-dense, versatile, and easy to add to your daily routine. A spoonful in a smoothie or tea can make a real difference over time. By embracing Moringa, we reconnect with ancient wisdom and invest in our well-being. Thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, and share your Moringa experiences below.